saying to use the microscopy techniques. You must be telling that when we study the microscopy techniques, right? Why? Why do we have to study? It's simple because it's microorganisms. We need microscope, so of course we have to microscopy techniques study. Let's see what is the micro mean. Let me give you some fun fact. Our eyes can only distinguish two objects if they are placed 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter apart. If you go below that, our eyes cannot see it. So just think about the microorganisms because they are so small that they look as one. So if we see the cluster of the microorganisms, we just see as a spot. If they are actually in millions or trillions of numbers, only then can we see them as a spot, a big spot of, just like a drop of blood or water. But our eyes cannot see deeper than that. So that's why we need a microscope. Microscope actually has a technology that can see through the 1 millimeter limit. That's why it can differentiate the microorganism as the microorganism. Unlike us that we see as non-living object, they can actually capture their movement as well. So the methods used to visualize microorganisms include light microscope. You know that there are different types of microscopes, and every microscope has the capacity to study visualize the structure of virus. For example, using electron microscope to visualize the structure of rabies viruses. Since the viruses shapes or the microbes shapes varies, no, not shape, size varies. So of course it will need the more and more complex microscope for the smaller and smaller microorganisms.